Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can rearrange your home screen page on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro or the iPhone 13 series. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen touch and hold. Next tap on the dotted bar at the bottom here to open up your home screen page manager. If this does not open, because when you tap on it, nothing happens, try to do it like this. Have your thumb touch on the dotted bar and the other finger touch on the outside of the screen like this. Okay, after that, to rearrange the home screen page, you can simply long press on the home screen page and then drag it around the screen like this. So say if I want to drag the last home screen page to the second position, then I just drag it to the second position and then let go, and then you can tap on done to save the changes, and then tap on done, and that's it. So now we have successfully rearranged the home screen page on the iPhone 13 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.